Compassion. Compassion is a profound concept that encompasses empathy, kindness, and understanding towards others involve recognizing the suffering of challenges that someone else is facing and being moved to alleviate that suffering or offer support. Compassion goes beyond mere sympathy and involves activity engaging with others to make a positive different their lives. When it comes to caring for the environment, compassion manifests in deep respect for the planet and all living behind that inhabit it. It involves recognizing the connectedness of all life form and understanding the impact of our action on the environment. Compassionate care of the environment involves taking steps to the protect and preserve nature, such as reducing waste, conserving resources, and advocating for sustainable practices. In the context, caring for others, compassion is expressed through the action of kindness, generosity, support. It involves listening attentively to others, offering helping hand when needed, and showing concern for their well-being. Compassionate care for others extends to all individual regardless of their background, belief, or circumstances. Communal discernment plays a crucial role in fostering compassion both within communities and on a global scale. Communal discernment involve collective reflection, discussion, decision making aimed at promoting the common goods and addressing shared challenges. By engaging in communal discernment, individual and communities can gain the deeper understanding of the needs and concern of others, leading to more compassionate action and policies. In the making, Purdue University, PU, and the word more compassionate place, communal discernment service as a guiding for for creating a culture on empathy, understanding, and cooperation by coming together to discuss and address issues related to compassion. Individual and communities can work towards by creating a more inclusive and caring environment for all through communal discernment. PU can develop policies and initiatives that prioritize compassion and social responsibility, contributing to a more compassionate world for everyone. Compassionate is all about having a deep awareness of sympathy for another suffering alone to desire alleviate that suffering. It involves showing kindness, empathy, and understanding toward others. Whether there are people, animals, or even the environment. When it comes to caring for the environment, compassion can be expressed through action that show respect, consideration consideration for the planet, all its inhabitants. This can include things like recycling, reducing waste, conserving resources, and support initiatives that protect the environment and promote sustainability. Similarly, in caring for others, compassion can be expressed through acts of kindness, generosity, and support. It can involve listening without judgment, offering a helping hand to those in need, to simply being there for someone who is going through a tough time. Recognizing the interconnectedness of a living being, treating them with the same care and respect that we would want for ourselves. Thank you. Bye-bye.